This video will be fairly short. This is about clean installs. Why is it going to be short? Because we've seen clean installs before. Typically, to do a clean install, you would simply put in a disk or use a Pixie boot and install to a WDS server. However, there is a kind of a surprise. In the last video, when we were looking at upgrades, we left off here. We said, well, if I'm going to do an upgrade, I would have an already running system, and I would click Keep Personal Files and Apps. I would start from inside of an already running system. And then I said, well, I've also got this option, Keep Nothing. And if I said Keep Nothing, and then click Next, actually what I would be doing is doing a clean install. So right now my DC5 up here is a Windows Server 2016. This is a data center edition. What I'm actually doing is a 2019 clean install. So now I'm not going to, this won't keep my roles, it won't keep my data, it won't keep my users, it won't keep anything. It'll just be a clean install of 2019. So that is an optional way of doing a clean install right from an already running system. So there is one additional way to do a clean install.